If y'all ever want to think about keeping saltwater catfish, go ahead and cut the tails off of them. I kind of waited too late to cut the tails off of them, but when you cut the tails off of them, it bleeds them out, and that help the meat a little. You know, you don't want no bloodline in your meat. You know, less bloody meat, the better. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tails off this catfish real quick for you, just to show you how I do it. Go ahead and cut the tail right off that joker. Catfish are weird too, man. They be alive and they don't be alive. If anybody know what I mean, then let me know. I don't think they really fish because they ain't got damn scale on them. Kind of weird. Tail, get rid of the tail. Give it to the raccoons, give it to the raccoons, give it to the cats. Let's recycle the catfish as much as we can. No meat wasted. Let's get the next catfish out. That's basically how you cut the tail off. Get you a little knife and just come across the tail real quick, man, and just bleed them out. You'll be happy later on when you see the meat difference. But catfish are super slippery, so if you ain't trying to get dirty, get your water hose and wash them off first. But I don't care. I already had a long day fishing and missed my snook, so I don't really care. It's a nasty thing to see, but this is what you're supposed to do. Bleed them out. I'll have to let them jokers bleed in now. See, really, I really don't even know why I kept this little guy. He just probably made me mad biting my pinfish, so I kept him. I'm guilty of it. I'm guilty of keeping a fish I really shouldn't have kept, but I'm gonna make the most of him. Probably gonna get a little bit of meat off him. We still gonna put him on that grease. Still gonna clean his butt up. So yep, that's all the tails, y'all. By the way, whenever you are grabbing a catfish, do not touch the top fin. Do not stick yourself with this top dorsal fin and these two side fins. These are the poisonous fins on the catfish, so be careful with those. My dad taught me that you can really just break them off with some pliers, but I ain't gonna do that. Y'all get the message. That is a no-no. Side fins is a no-no too, so be careful with those, because that's their poisonous fins. They will stick you and you get a nasty bacterial infection and all that, swell up. You don't want that. Don't want that. Don't do it. Go ahead and use this little goof around knife real quick. I am lazy to get my fillet knife, so we're gonna make it do with this pink knife. It's hot as October, breast cancer awareness. That's what we're doing it for. The boobies. So a catfish nugget. Go ahead and feel around for the rib cage. And go ahead and stick them right in there. And you just kind of follow it around. Something like that. Once you got him like that, come down. Then come across his bone. You know, I'm leaving a lot of meat on there, but because I don't really care. He's just gonna be a little snack. And then how you get the belly is, if you want that belly, come across there. Make sure you don't get all his intestines and all that. That's how I do it, at least. Come across him like that. Now he got his belly separated from it. What you call it? Dang, mosquitoes, chill out for a second, bro. And I'll come through like that. I don't know what kind of serial killer Dracula mosquitoes I got around here, boy. Got all that belly meat right now. That's all good meat. And you feel around for that bone right here. And you just gonna cut that joker out. That's it. That's how you do it.